Você vai atropelar as crianças aí, maluco? Você vai atropelar as crianças aí, tio? Coloca a vida de uma parte direita em risco.
I just passed you. Are you did he crash or all set?
Negative, you stop to the red light. I'm out of the vehicle now.
All bounce to the pilot.
En son kaçan zor kaçtı, adam tekme attı. Ayak şöyleydi yani. Ne?
Daraldı mı?
Ben gitmedim, ben direkt oradan döndüm.
Vai ser que ele funk é assim, ó.
This is about to end. And then, it ends itself. He simply loses control and lets gravity finish the performance. Both hit the ground. The passenger immediately reconsiders the partnership and runs.
This guy, look at this.
You've never seen a police chase like this. A biker does death-defying stunts as he flees cops at speeds hitting 100 miles an hour.
He was doing stunts on the freeway. Right now, really just kind of showing off.
Look, he repeatedly stands up on the seat. Here, it looks like he's taking a selfie. And here, he stands oh so casually on the footrests. How's this for brazen? As two motorcycle cops give chase, he shoots them a vulgar hand gesture.
He does seem to be almost taunting those two officers.
Another bizarre moment. Having shaken off the cops, he stops to put on a set of earbuds. Finally, police catch up. But the biker gives them the slip again.
This guy is driving off.
There are reports that onlookers cheered him on as he sped by. But as usual in high-speed chases, the cops get their man.
They do have their guns out, which is a very dangerous situation.
They inch towards him after he pulled into a gas station outside Los Angeles.
boy. Yeah boy.
Burası ki bunu da Şahin sandım. Efendim? Ne yapıyorsun abi? Çekil çekil. Gel bakalım. Nereden? Abi beni yakalayamazsın, uğraşma ya.